So, we gotta learn how to sort the arrays. And looking at the one we had last, I'm gonna use this algorithm called sequential sort. So we had an array, we call it students' IDs. And can you please tell me the numbers we had? So you don't have it. Let's see if I can see them. So it's 312, 230, 797, 489, 583, 54, 645, 604, 325, 513, 488, 33, 202, maybe it was too long. 43, 699, and 437. So I'm going to give you the concept and you tell me the code. Okay? So the concept is, I have 16 elements. I'm going to grab one element. The first element, or the first position of the first element. I grab the first index, index 0, and I am going to compare it with the rest of the array. If I find a number that is lower than this position, I'm going to swap them and keep going. Once I'm done with the first element, it will guarantee me that the first element is already sorted. And I grab the next element. And I'll do the same thing. I'm going to compare it with the rest of the array. And if I find a number that is smaller, I'll swap them. I mean, the code's in the book, so if you read the chapter, you already know how to do it, right? So, how will you code that? Tell me what to write. How do you start?
Make an integer or a variable called current number.
Okay.
And the current number will hold the value of the number that you're looking at.
You need an algorithm to do it?
Well, I want you to come up with the algorithm
Oh,
without using Google.
yeah.
So then I pass the argument to If, sir.
So, I don't know, I'm just writing what you told me. So, one called current, then what?
Current.
And what do I do next?
Give another number, and
Hmm?
then
A refinement.
you find another number,
Okay,
another variable.
what do you call it?
Next number.
Next
Yeah.
number, okay.
And then we need a loop
You need a loop, what kind of loop?
from 1 to 16.
What kind of loop? Hmm?
For loop.
I need a for loop, okay.
For current.
Okay, so what's the first variable? You said current? And what's the initial value?
0.
Let's start at 0. And then what?
It's gonna compare. Use one of those.
What do I write next? Don't tell me, just tell me what to write, don't tell me what you're thinking, just tell me what to write. I'm the computer, I just execute, I don't reason.
You don't want to chit chat.
So, what do I, current from 0 to what number?
15.
So, to what number? Less or less than equal or what? Less than what?
16.
Less than max? Okay. And that increase the number by 1, right? Okay. What do I do?
If statement, current number is greater than next number, or if
Next number is what the value of next number?
less than.
No, what's the current value of next number? You asked me to compare current, the next number.
There's no value.
There's no value. Alright. Okay. So what else do I need to write?
Subtract the index.
Subtract? Or what?
Swap. It's a be a swap.
So what do I write?
I know it's if.
Come on. I want to see some smoke coming out of your ears.
X number is equal to student ID, go with I. So we want,
So,
yeah, so we want,
so you said next number is equal to what?
there's no I yet, so I guess it's going to be a student ID, but we need to define a variable above it first, so.
So what
We
do-
need to put, because currently we have student ID, we have 16 student IDs, so we have to turn next number into the student IDs after student ID. So I guess we should write another for statement
Alright,
for next time.
need another 4.
Yes.
Okay. What do I write? Okay, I'm your keyboard, I'm just typing.
For next number is equal to,
I don't know, I thought it was simple.
So what did I tell you the algorithm says? You grab a position and compare it to the rest of the array, right?
Or next number is greater than, or,
So what's the first in the section of the for loop? What do we call this? This is the initialization of the variable, right?
Next number is equal to cur plus 1.
Exactly. All right.
Next number is less than max. Next number. And next number plus plus. We'll go with student IDs in the square brackets, next number.
All right. So after this, what do I write?
Student IDs in the square brackets, next number. I guess we want if then in there. So if that exact thing
If, okay.
is greater than cur, is greater than student ID cur. Then the one function I don't know is how to change the position.
How would you change the position? Somebody else.
All you, if we have a function to change the position, then
Oh, you want to need a function, just change it there.
I guess you just, write them again, or,
How do you swap?
oh, I guess, so you turn student.
Come on, do you need coffee?
You just say one equals the other, but I guess you might have to record.
You can't just say one equals the other and the other equals one, because then at one point they'll both be the same. right?
Yeah.
In which case you only need an additional variable to store one while they're being.
So you need another one, right?
Yes.
So call it 10. All right. So
Then, next number is equal to 10.
that's what I write.
Then it'll work, you can put current to 10, either one would be.
Wait, are we checking to see if the next number is less than it? Because that's when we swap them. Right?
Yeah, it has to be in order.
Yeah.
I just wrote what you guys told me.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you're gonna switch to greater than.
yeah, it's supposed to be, or you mean switch to
Like,
less than.
like the
Yeah.
first two, like the
Switch-
first two
switch from greater to
sequences
less.
from greater, from less.
All right. So what's the next line?
Yeah, we should assign either next num or cur to the temporary variable. So we'll go with, next num. Oh, and we do want the variable, not the number.
Okay. Then what?
Next num is equal to cur. Or the student ID, so. And cur is equal to 10.
Almost got it.
So that should go through
So
4 things.
what are we missing?
Something that relates cur to next num. So like making sure they actually count correctly. It doesn't just go to each, doesn't just go to the next one, it goes to the whole line of the next nums before it moves on to the next cur.
Well, you're
Yeah.
So, I said, you grab the first position, right? And you compare it with the rest of the array, right? That's the first pass. That's what they're supposed to do, right? And there's the rest of the array, right? Once you're done with the first one, the positions are supposed to be sorted. Then you grab the next element, right? This is your current.